Hi there. This video will guide you through how to collect your urine sample using your at-home testing kit. The process is quick and easy, and we'll walk you through each step. Let's start by laying out all the components. Begin by unscrewing the cap of the collection cup. Do not touch the bottom of the cap. Fill the cup with your first morning urine. Once the cup is filled, screw the cap back on tightly. Remove the sticker on top covering the cap needle and stick it to the side of the cup. Do not touch the needle. Then, without touching the cap of the collection tube, place the tube upside down on the needle and firmly press down. The tube should fill with urine. Put the sticker back on the cup cap and discard the cup. Fill in your information. Write your name and today's date on the urine tube. Then fill out all of the information on the biohazard bag. Now it's time to package your sample. Place the tube into the biohazard bag included in your kit. Seal the bag carefully. Place it in the box. If your kit also came with a blood test sample, be sure to include the completed test sample in the box as well. Next, place the box into the return mailer provided in your kit and seal the mailer. Finally, mail your sample as soon as possible, preferably within 1 day of collection, to ensure the lab receives a viable sample. Thank you for completing your sample.